Fix old cameras.
How to deal with a stuck or frozen screw using the application of heat. And it has nothing to do with a snowman. On vintage cameras that have had hard use, oftentimes the screws have corroded to the point where you can't get them to break free, particularly slotted screws where you can't get a good purchase and it's easy to mar the slot to the point where you'll never get the screw out. In this case, some judicious application of heat will break that corrosion free and allow you to remove the screw. Here, a chisel heater tip iron is used to disperse the heat into the screw. Always be careful when you have a hot soldering iron around a camera, being aware of the plastic parts. Any contact and immediate ugliness occurs. Hold it in place for several minutes and then give it a shot to see if the screw will release. If not, give it another several minutes and try again. It is also helpful to have a properly sized screwdriver. A screwdriver that is the exact same width of the screw that you're trying to remove will produce a little better torque. But in this case, the smaller screwdriver worked and it came out like butter.
Thank you for watching.